How to segment customers in Putler using RFM analysis. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to segment customers in Putler using RFM. Let's get started. First, log into your Putler account. Then go to the Customers dashboard. On the right side, you'll see a colorful RFM chart. In Putler, RFM stands for Recency, Frequency, and Monetary. It helps you understand how recently someone purchased, how often they buy, and how much they spend. Here's a brief overview of the RFM segment's loyal customers, champions, potential loyalists, new customers, promising, needs attention, about to sleep, hibernating, can't lose them, at risk, lost. Putler automatically shows the exact number and percentage of customers in each segment so you can analyze your data instantly without any manual calculations. The RFM chart is based on all your data in Putler. So if you have 5 years of data, the chart shows results for all 5 years. Now, let's calculate RFM. Click on any segment in the RFM chart. Here I am clicking New Customers. Scroll down. You'll now see all customers for that segment. From the download icon, you can export the list as a CSV file, and that's it. In case if you see no matching results, increase the date range to your desired period, for example, last 3 months. Please note once you select a segment, it applies to all dashboards, so after you've finished analyzing your selected segment, make sure to clear it. Then select a new segment. RFM is one of Putler's star features, helping you easily identify your best, loyal, and inactive customers for better marketing decisions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our other helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.